Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make the best red carne asada marinade. So if you're ready, let's get started. Alrighty guys, so to make our marinade, we're going to be using our blender. So to our blender cup, we're going to add our piece of onion, 3 garlic cloves, 4.5 teaspoons of salt, 2.5 tablespoons of chili powder, 1.5 tablespoons of achiote paste, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, black pepper, brown sugar, and oregano, along with 1 cup of orange juice, 1/4 of a cup of lime juice, and 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Okay, now we're just going to be blending until smooth. Alright, so once it's nice and smooth, we're going to open it. And here we're going to add our 1/4 of a cup of oil. Now just give it a quick blend. Okay, and just like that, we have our marinade. So now we can get ready to pour it over our meat. Okay, so here I'm going to be adding my 4 pounds of steak. And we're just going to begin to add our marinade. Add another piece of steak and just make sure that you're coating all of it. Okay, make sure every steak gets nice and coated. Okay, now we're just going to cover it. Place it in the refrigerator and allow it to marinate overnight or for at least 4 hours. And once our meat is done, we're going to allow it to rest for at least 1 hour. And after 1 hour, our meat should have come to room temperature. So now we can get ready to take it to the grill. Okay, now we're just going to shake the excess marinade. Place it on our hot grill and just cook it to your desired likeness. Ready guys, and once it's done, we remove it from the grill. Cover it with foil and allow it to rest for at least 5 minutes. Alrighty guys, and after a few minutes, we can now get ready to serve. Of course, you can serve it in tacos or however you want to serve it. Today we're going to enjoy it with a side of rice and beans. And of course, ensalada de nopales. Let's not forget the salsa. The cebollita. The jalapeno. My flour tortilla. And just like that, we can now get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that if you like the Carniceria's carne asada, well, you're most definitely going to love this one. This one is honestly the best. It's so much better. It has a perfect amount of spice and you're just going to love it. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Just can never go wrong with it. So good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how I make my authentic red carne asada marinade. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.